Meaning of greats.
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 Greats. Greats is a word that can have different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to something or someone who was exceptional, outstanding, or important. In a general sense, greats can also be used to describe a collection of people or things that are highly regarded or well-known. The word has been used in various contexts such as the Great Barrier Reef, the Great Depression, and the Great Wall of China. It's a versatile word that can be used to describe many different things that have a significant impact on history, culture, or society. Overall, greats can represent power, influence, and importance in a variety of contexts.